Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. Today's topic is for class 9th. The name of the topic is Matter in Our Surroundings Part 1. This is the first chapter of your NCERT textbook. Students, class 9th is very important from your academic point of view. If you are thorough with concepts of class 9th, class 10th will become very easy for you. Class 9th is equivalent to class 11. So with the help of this video, I am trying to explain each and every point which is very important for your class 9 point of view as well as for your competitive exams point of view. So please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. So now let's start the topic. The name of the topic is Matter in Our Surroundings. Students, if you look around you, you will find a large variety of things, and these things have different shapes, sizes and texture. In this picture, you can see different objects are there with different shapes, sizes and texture. But one thing every object has common. What is the thing which is common in all these objects? The thing which is common in all objects is that they all have mass and all of them occupy space. So we can say that all these objects have mass and volume. So we can conclude that everything in the universe is made up of material, and which was named as matter by scientists. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, cloud, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, everything is made up of matter. But as I discussed with you, matter is one which has both mass and volume. So now we will discuss about the units of mass and volume. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. It is abbreviated as kg. And the SI unit of volume is cubic meter. It is abbreviated as meter cube. Apart from SI unit, some other units of volume are also commonly used. One of the unit is cubic decimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. Another smaller unit for volume is milliliter. It is abbreviated as ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. One more unit is used, which is cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is abbreviated as cc. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Since early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings, and early Indian philosophers, they classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements, which were called as Panchatattva. So what are these 5 basic elements? What are these Panchatattva? These 5 basic elements are air, earth, fire, sky and water. According to them, everything living or non-living was made up of these 5 basic elements. And ancient Greek philosophers, they also had the similar view. In this picture, you can see 5 basic elements. In modern day, scientists have evolved 2 types of classification of matter. One is based on their physical properties and the other is based on chemical nature. In this chapter, we will study about matter based on its physical properties, and the chemical aspects of matter we will study in the next chapters. So first of all, we will discuss physical nature of matter. Students, first property is the matter is made up of particles. For a long time, people were divided into 2 groups. One group assumed that matter is continuous like a block of wood, whereas the other group assumed that matter was made up of particles just like particles of sand. To decide about the nature of matter, whether it is continuous or particulate, let us discuss an activity. In this activity, we have taken a beaker. In this beaker, we have taken 100 ml of water. To 100 ml of water, we have added 1 teaspoonful of salt. After adding the salt, we have stirred it with the help of glass rod. So we will find that the salt particles disappeared. And surprisingly, the level of water doesn't increase after addition of salt to water. So why it is happening here? The reason was that salt was made up of small particles. After stirring, the particles of salt occupied the space present between water molecules. So that is the reason the salt particles got disappeared and the level of water didn't increase in this activity. So whatever points I have explained to you are written here in this slide. The conclusion is that matter is made up of particles. In this activity, the particles of salt get into the space between particles of water. So that was the first property, the matter is made up of particles. Now it is clear to us that matter is made up of particles. Now we will discuss about how small these particles are with the help of one more simple and interesting activity. In this activity, we have taken 100 ml of water in a beaker. To this 100 ml of water, we have added 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate. Formula of potassium permanganate is KMnO4. Its color is purple color. So, after addition of 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate to 100 ml of water, we can see that the solution has turned purple. Then we have taken 10 ml of solution from the second beaker and it is added to 90 ml of water. So here we have taken 90 ml of water and 90 ml of water plus 10 ml of solution we are adding from the second beaker. So overall solution has become 100 ml. Again, we are repeating the same process. We will take out 10 ml from third beaker and 90 ml of water we will take in the fourth beaker. So overall volume will become 100 ml. Then we will keep on repeating this process and surprisingly we will find that the 2 crystals of potassium permanganate are capable of coloring a large amount of water. You won't believe that 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate are capable of coloring about 1000 liters of water. So now you can assume that a single crystal of potassium permanganate, which seems to be so small, is made up of millions of small particles. That is the one thing. Now the same activity you can repeat by taking Dettol. What you will do, in the 100 ml of water which was taken in a beaker, you will add 2 to 3 drops of Dettol and you will feel the smell of Dettol after the repeated dilution. So with the help of this activity, you can conclude that matter is made up of particles and the particles of matter are extremely small beyond our imagination. So whatever I have explained you, the points are written here in this slide. And the final conclusion is that the particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. Now we will discuss about characteristics of particles of matter. So first characteristic is that particles of matter have a space between them. In past 2 activities, we saw that whether you take sugar or salt or Dettol or potassium permanganate, these particles got evenly distributed in water. The similar effect you will observe in your kitchen. Whenever you make tea, coffee or nimbu pani means lemonade, you will find that particles of one type of matter get into the space between particles of other. So, this shows that there is enough space between particles of matter. Students, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to watch part 2 of this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.